welcome to my channel. My name is Des. I'm going to review Amazon clothing, workout clothing in particular. I'm really picky about what I work out in, so I promise this stuff is good. I will tell you a little of the things that are kind of like weird about them or things that you may or may not like. So keep on watching and I will see you on the other side. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to talk about is this sports bra. It's from Queenie K. I don't know how to say it, but it is super cute and really good quality. They have a lot of other colors. And then the back has a really pretty T-back. But it's really nice. And then the next thing is these leggings. These are from, where are these from? Color for Koala. They have a lot of other colors too. They are seamless at the top, which is awesome. I cannot stand when it like digs into your belly. It drives me absolutely crazy. Okay, so here is the next outfit. I'm not sure if these colors go well together, but that's okay. The sports bra is from Crazy Yoga, I believe, and it is super good quality. The only thing is that it seems like it's faded. So usually I wash my workout clothes on delicate, but I don't know, this one just didn't hold up. So maybe if I would have hung dry this, maybe it would have been better. And then the back is super cute crisscross. And then these leggings, I love this color. I think it's super duper cute. These are from, they're the same brand as the other one, Color for Koala. They have the same detail in the back. And then squat proof. The only thing about these leggings is if you sweat a lot in the gym, it definitely shows up. They're not like Lululemon where the sweat dries really fast. It's definitely, you can definitely see it. So if you're just lifting and not doing cardio, these will be just fine. Or if you're just going to yoga or wearing them around the house, they will be perfect. And they are 22 bucks. Okay, so here is the next outfit. It is super flowy and cute. Usually I wear like tight tops to the gym, but I really like to have this just when I'm like, I don't want to show my belly. But these are the same Color for Koala leggings. Same everything, same thing with wearing them when you're doing cardio, like, or I guess if you're lifting hard too, like on a leg day. I just, honestly, they just show up sweat way too much. But, and then this top is from Crazy Yoga. So, they have a lot of stuff that, like, looks like Lululemon, especially their tops. But, it's just a razor back. And then also you can tie this up, like, really cute, if you really do want to show off your belly. Okay, so here is the next outfit. This is probably my favorite. I just got these leggings about 2 days ago, but they are definitely Gymshark dupes. They even have like the little scrunch butt in the back. And then I just love this color. They're super cute. I don't know if you can tell, they are camo. And then this top, I don't remember the brand of this top, but they're like $10 and they have all different colors. There is like this like super cute cuts in the back. I like it. It's a little edgy. This one's kind of short, but like the brand has other shirts and they're like a little bit longer, so I'm not sure. It's like only these. So if you're really worried about showing your belly off, then I would size up in this particular style, but I'll show you another color that is a little bit longer. You'll see. Okay, and here is another top. I really love this top, but they're not on Amazon Prime anymore. You have to pay like $1.99 for shipping, but I will link it in the description. But it is super cute, and it looks super cute with these leggings, and it's really bright. I'm not sure if it's coming out this bright on camera. And it's kind of like a spandex feeling. I don't know, I really, really love it. It's super cute. And they have other colors, but I think they have like a black, a blue, and then this one. Okay, so this is the same top as that gray one, but as you can see, it doesn't have those cuts in the back, but it is a little bit longer. But I really, really like this one. I mean, it's not like, it's cotton, so it's not gonna be like sweat wicking or anything like that, but I'm okay with that, especially on tops. Now leggings, that to me is a really big deal, but on tops, that's fine. But super cute. And the color is really, really cute too. But I really like this one. Okay, so this top is from Crazy Yoga. It's supposed to be like a Lululemon dupe, but honestly, the material is a little thick, but I really do love it. I love it obviously in the wintertime, not right now, but I wore this all winter and they're still available. They have white, black, I'll have to check and see, but they have a lot of colors. Okay, I saved my favorite for last. This is a top from Crazy Yoga. The material is amazing. Like, it feels like butter. I wish I had more colors in it. It is just amazing. And when I do wear this shirt, I just feel like I am on fire. But I love it. The only thing is about these shirts is that they are like really long. But that's okay. I actually just do like a little bunny tail in the back with a ponytail. And it actually looks kind of cute and fashionable, but. Okay, so that's gonna be it for today. Thank y'all so much for watching. If you wanna see more reviews, more recipes, anything like that, I'll be your girl. So subscribe, thanks, bye.